Welcome back to the kitchen, y'all. It is lunchtime, so time to make some homemade fish sticks. That's right, here's the list of ingredients. Super simple ingredients, not too hard. Pause it if you have to, but this recipe is super simple. You ready? Let's go! All right, first things first, get you a nice hot pan or a skillet and melt down 2 tablespoons of butter. Why? You're gonna see what we're gonna do. We are gonna step up our panko crumbs. That's what we're aiming for. See this? This is just unflavored traditional panko crumbs. 4 ounces, what you're gonna wanna do, half a bag, and let this cook in there. Every so often, you're gonna wanna stir this around. Why? Because it's gonna burn pretty quick. This is very light panko crumbs. So do not forget about this. As you can see right here, I even left it for a little too long. So don't do what I did. Keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. You want a light golden brown color, as you're gonna see coming up right here. This is perfect. There we go. Look at that. Right there. Just mix it in for a few more seconds, take it off, and dump it into a bowl, guys. Why? Because the next step's coming up. We are gonna season this. Yeah, buddy. Okay, I lied. First off, we're gonna do the egg wash. Let's go ahead and crack you in 2 large eggs. These are fresh butt nuggets, but hey, it's okay. Add you in a little teaspoon of water and just mix these up. Give it a good beating. Beat it. That's right, beat it, beat it, beat it. Get it all mixed in good. You want it runny. There you go. All right, now we're gonna take our fish. Remember, these are a white fish. Any white fish would do. I prefer cod, that's just me. You can use what you want. Mahi's good. You can use perch. You can use any other good fish, but cod to me makes this dish awesome. So go ahead, get you a towel, dry these off, as you can see me doing right here. If you ain't got a towel, use a paper towel. They gotta be dry. You do not want these wet. Right here, see that? Look how beautiful that fillet is. That's right. These are gonna chop up good and make some wonderful fish sticks. Don't buy that store-bought stuff. This is a super simple recipe. So go ahead and get you a knife and just start cutting these up into strips. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be uniform. As you can see right here, mine aren't perfect. Just get them cut up. Try to make you an even amount so that way there everybody gets the same. This is lunchtime. I'm just cutting these up for me and Maddie, so we're just giving them a rough cut here. Go ahead, finish cutting these. As you can see right here, be safe. Do not cut your fingers off. We do not want fish fingers. We want fish sticks. All right, take a look at this. That's perfect. That's what you're gonna want. Yeah, buddy. Next step, seasoning. Season is everything. Take you some kosher salt and just sprinkle those on there and rub them around, coating it very good in the salt. And you're gonna do the exact same thing with black ground pepper. Sprinkle it on there and roll them around, guys. That's right. You're gonna repeat the process. Alrighty, y'all, the next step is super important. You must season your flour. Come in and hit it with the salt, the black pepper, the herb de Provence, and some cayenne. That's right, that smoked cayenne is just gonna be beautiful in this flour. Mix it all in there really good. Just mix it as best you can. You wanna incorporate this so that way there, it's ready to go and flavors your fish sticks. All right, now it's time to do the dredging. That's right, we're dreading the dredging. The sticky fingers, you name it, it's the worst part of this, but you know what? It's the best part because this is what gives that its unique crunch. Go ahead, roll it around in the flour, then dip it into your egg, and then just mix it really well into the panko crumbs that we roasted. And guys, look at this, absolutely gorgeous. Lay it down on an air rack. And just repeat the process into the flour, into the egg, and back into the panko crumbs. Take a look. It's coming together pretty well. Just keep doing that with all your fillets, and pretty soon you'll have yourself the best fish sticks ready to go. And trust me, guys, this is a messy process. Look at the fingertips. Oh my God. All right, go ahead and crank up your heat. Get you some extra virgin olive oil. That's right, not just any old cooking oil is gonna work. You want a high smoke point. You want a good quality extra virgin olive oil. It's gonna add in a unique flavor when frying these fish sticks. Trust me, extra virgin olive oil is the way to go. you're going to want to watch the temperature of your oil. You do not want these to burn before you have the inside cooked. That's right, 4 minutes until golden brown should be perfect. That's what these are, 4 minutes. Look how beautiful these are. Go ahead, take them out, put them on the cooling rack, let that grease just drain out, and then drop in 2 more. This next step is super important. Go ahead and swirl them around. You see that? See how the oil just covers the top? That's gonna allow that mixture to go ahead and stay infused to your fish stick. Just let them cook 4 minutes, guys. That's right, until golden brown, and they should be perfect. Just repeating the process here, as you can see. Fish sticks were always one of my favorites childhood lunches growing up. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you enjoyed fish sticks growing up as a child as well. I'm telling y'all, ditch the bag, store-bought, make it yourself. Listen to how good this sounds. Oh my God, these are gonna be super delicious, guys. Yeah, buddy. Now, once you got these all fried up, go ahead and plate it with some ketchup and some homemade tartar sauce and some fries. And look, hey, give me my plate. Oh well, one of these days, guys. Thank you so much for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple fun and delicious recipes with that country twist. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the kitchen next time.